The United Kingdom has been the source of some of the greatest, most renowned motorcycle brands in the world. Triumph, BSA, Ariel, and Vincent Motorcycles are just some of the legendary names to base their headquarters under the Union Jack. Another one of the UK's earliest motorcycle manufacturers was Sunbeam Cycles. Founded in 1887 by John Marston, Sunbeam Cycles was a producer of bicycles until Marston began producing motorcycles under the Sunbeam brand. Designing and manufacturing Sunbeam's motorcycles didn't happen easily. Early experiments in adding engines to bicycles ended with disastrous results, including the death of a test rider. Afterward, Marston became leery of experimenting with motorcycles, focusing instead on manufacturing sports cars with the Sunbeam Motor Car Company. However, market turmoil for car manufacturers led to an increased demand for motorcycles. In 1912, at the age of 76, Marston found himself designing Sunbeam motorcycles once again. After John Marston's death in 1919, the Sunbeam brand passed through several owners until 1943, when it was purchased as a subsidiary by BSA. It was during this period that the S7 Deluxe was manufactured. The Sunbeam S7 and its deluxe model were designed by Erling Popp, based loosely on the BMW R75. The S7's inline OHC 500cc engine was laid out in an unusual vertical fashion, more similar to a car than a motorcycle. Despite a revolutionary design, the S7 had serious vibration problems. The S7 was so uncomfortable to ride that its initial production line was completely recalled. The problem was remedied by mounting the bike's engine to two bonded rubber mounts. However, both the S7 and the S7 Deluxe's performance left much to be desired, with a mere 25 horsepower exerting from their 4-speed engines. In 1949, the S7 was updated to the S7 Deluxe model, seen here. The Deluxe was modified with new cylinder linings, redesigned frames, and increased oil capacity. 5,554 Deluxe models were produced with either a mist green or black finish, available for UK owners while available in any BSA colour abroad. This, along with an expensive price tag for the same moderate performance as the base S7, resulted in low sales for both the models. After Sunbeam ceased production of its motorcycles in 1956, BSA sold their remaining stock of parts to Stewart Engineering. To this day, the company remains the sole supplier of spare parts for post-war Sunbeam motorcycles. This mist green Sunbeam S7 Deluxe, a true relic of motorcycle history, can be seen on display at Throttlestop's Motorcycle Museum. Located in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, Throttlestop's Motorcycle Museum is a unique destination unlike any other. Car and motorcycle enthusiasts from all over the world come to experience the evolution of one of life's greatest passions throughout history. Throttlestop also provides expert consignment and top-tier detailing services for luxury class automobiles. We welcome all car and motorcycle enthusiasts to visit Throttlestop and discover how we live our motto, driven by passion.